What happens when you eat 3 whole eggs every day? You'll be surprised what it does to your body. We all know that the health organizations issued a warning about the cholesterol contained in eggs. But the real truth is that eggs, just like many other foods, such as coconut oil or avocados, eggs were mistakenly thought to be bad for your health. So, the medical experts claim that when you consume foods that contain cholesterol, your liver adjusts itself by decreasing its own production. This means that eating eggs doesn't increase the existing amounts of cholesterol in your body. You're simply replacing one type with another. Eating whole eggs is extremely important for all of us. The egg yolk is loaded with healthy nutrients. More than 90% of the egg's calcium and iron are found in the egg yolk. And the egg white contains almost half of the egg's protein. In this video we are going to show you 8 good reasons why you should consume eggs more often. 1. Eggs help to improve performance. First, you should know that eggs have a high satiety index, which means that eggs will make you feel fuller. One medium-sized egg contains 6 grams of high-quality protein and other essential nutrients, with the exception of vitamin C. This is why you should combine a fruit or orange juice with an egg and whole wheat low GI bread for breakfast, because we all know breakfast is the most important meal of the day. 2. Eggs can help to iron out problems. Many people around the world who suffer from mild iron deficiency may experience these symptoms: tiredness, headaches, and irritability. You should know that the iron is the carrier of oxygen in the blood, and it's extremely important for our immune system, energy metabolism, and other important functions in the body. The iron found in the egg yolk is in the form of heme iron, which is the most absorbable and usable form of iron found in food. Some experts claim that this type of iron is even more absorbable than most of the iron supplements. 3. Eggs improve nutrient adequacy of the diet. Eggs are packed with healthy nutrients, which makes them a valuable contributor to a nutritious diet. A recent study has discovered that people who don't consume eggs were more likely to fall short of vitamin A, vitamin E, and vitamin B12. Eggs contributed 10 to 20% of folate and 20 to 30% of vitamin A, vitamin E, and vitamin B12 for people who consumed eggs. This study shows that eggs are extremely important for all of us, and you should eat them more often. 4. Eggs do not increase blood cholesterol. We all know that back in the 1990s, the eggs received a lot of bad publicity due to their high cholesterol content, 210 milligrams per egg yolk. Many different studies have clearly demonstrated the lack of a relationship between egg intake and coronary heart disease. But it's extremely important for you to know that foods high in fat, especially saturated and trans fatty acids, have a far greater impact on heart health than the cholesterol found in egg yolks. You should know one thing: eggs are excellent, inexpensive, and super healthy source of high-quality protein. 5. Eggs can help to promote weight loss. Did you know that eggs with toast have a 50% higher satiety index than regular breakfast cereals? Many different studies have found that if you start your day with eggs, it will increase the satiety in overweight people and may help with weight loss. 6. Eggs help to promote brain health. Have you ever heard of choline? Well, choline is a nutrient that promotes and improves the brain development in a fetus and newborn. This nutrient also improves the brain and memory function even at old age. This is why you should eat eggs more often, because eggs are an excellent source of choline, and just one egg will provide 28% of a pregnant woman's choline requirement. You should also know that choline is extremely important during pregnancy and lactation, when the reserves can be depleted. At the same time, it is the critical period for fetal brain development and lifelong memory enhancement. So, make sure you consume eggs more often, especially if you are pregnant. 7. Eggs help to prevent cataracts and to protect eyesight. The medical experts claim that if you consume eggs, spinach, and broccoli regularly, then you will reduce the risk of cataracts up to a 20% decrease in age-related lens and retinal degeneration, the leading cause of blindness in the elderly, up to a 40% decrease. Eggs are packed with antioxidants and other healthy nutrients. They are a good source of lutein and zeaxanthin, carotenoid vitamins that are essential for your vision. Together, they reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, which causes blindness in older age. The carotenoids protect the eyes from sunlight damage, improve night vision, and reduce risk of developing cataracts by up to 50%. 8. Eggs can help to protect our bones. Eggs are packed with vitamin D, our sunshine vitamin. And we all know that vitamin D is extremely important for calcium absorption and for maintaining optimum bone health. And this is why eggs play an important role in the prevention of osteoporosis, together with dairy products, our main source of calcium. Well, this means that adding eggs to your healthy diet isn't unhealthy. In many cases, eggs will benefit your body more than you think. While you shouldn't try to eat 10 eggs every day, 2 to 3 eggs per day is perfectly fine in healthy individuals who are trying to stay healthy. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you. If you like the video, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.